Uh-oh.
Uh, just a follow up, could intuition be a type of channeling?
I think it's a little different.
Yeah,
Um, it's a good question, though. That's a
it
really
is.
notice how you made both of us think.
Yeah. Hmm. Um,
I know. Okay, so you guys see, I have lots of cards here. On my website, I have readings and I have channeled readings, and they are different. When it's me using my intuition, it comes in differently for me than if I'm channeling. So I'm going to say they're different. That's going to be my vote.
yeah, it's coming from a different place. Now, sometimes, yeah, because it's a gut thing, but if it's a higher self, which is the gut is what connects you to that higher self. So if it's that, so they can be kind of tied there, but yeah, it depends on what you're channeling as to if it's the same thing or not, or close or similar or anything.
Yeah,
I want to say it's different too.
it might be,
I
yeah,
have to
like
ramp
you were
it up.
saying, it might be the same kind of source. You're just receiving the information differently than if you were to let them speak directly. Now it's
Yeah,
coming through your filter.
yeah.
Is what I might would say to that. But it's a really
And
good
that's
question.
and
It's
that's
gonna
an
make me
important.
think
It
about
is. It really is. Because it made us both go, okay, well, how we feel.
that.
So let's go to our feeling center. What does it feel like? But something. Okay, you said it again, and I wanted to address it. What did you say? Oh, the conscious mind, the filter. I
Yeah.
want to address that because everybody that channels, everybody, just know, and this is where you need to put your discernment hat on and see what
Mhm.
resonates and see if anything about it feels right. Because everybody that channels completely out or conscious awareness, I mean, they have all kinds of different names, but
Yeah.
it's determining, it's just telling you how much they are aware consciously of what's going on. That's really what the name differences are. But it doesn't matter, whatever degree it is, every single person that channels, that information has to come through the person, and it's coming through the conscious mind. The conscious mind is sitting there as a filter, so it's coming through
Yeah.
there. So it's going to pick up beliefs and thoughts and things like that person has. So that's where you want to pay attention to. It's like always look at, well, what was this person's belief system
Yeah.
in general, and then that will tell you a lot. If it will it'll shadow shade something to some degree. Don't know how much, but to some degree, the information. So
Yeah.
always look at the person that's doing the work as well, because
Absolutely. And I say that a lot too. Use discernment.
yes.
Just because thing I say over here might resonate with you and this might not. And here's the other piece to that is we're not just one form, right? Like we didn't come from just one kind of star seed. We came from many different collectives of star seeds. We have plant beings, like however we want to say that. You have the insectoids, you have the avian, you have the plant life beings, you have the water beings, you have all these different beings, and what's right for one kind of being may not be right for everyone. So what Julia and I might be talking about might fit us like a glove, and you might be over there going, none of that really works for me. But it doesn't mean that you're wrong or we're wrong. It means you need to find the thing that does fit for you, because you need to resonate with it. Everyone's got a little bit different. We're fingerprints, right? So we all have a little different way of living, and we might be a mix of some things that this works and that doesn't. And